gonna try to get some before and after kind of images. Right now, the den is just parked in the backyard. There's a tarp at the top. The skylight at the top we know is busted, and so water's getting in. There's some interesting things on the outside I wanted to show you. The door, keep curious, the door has just a regular door handle has been installed on it, but more importantly, a padlock has been added. That's kind of interesting when that happens. But there's also some damage down here at the door. Like, I wonder how that would have happened. Just a rip at the bottom of the door. Kind of interesting how these things happen. And then there's some, this would have been the exterior storage entry originally. And for some reason, they've simply, can you see, they've just screwed it shut. So the question will be whether we want to reopen that and have an exterior entry for storage. Nothing really exciting on the back of the trailer. This is where the license plate used to be, because it was in Illinois. Windows all work and they're open, airing out the duck den. Let's see if I can come around the front. We're pretty sure that originally there was water, but it's currently a dry trailer. So I'm kind of curious about where that was. You can see that the front windshield is broken. It needs to be replaced. So there's some serious projects going on. Ah, here's the water entry right over here, and all the green sludge. Bullet hole. You just never know when there might be a bullet hole in your trailer. Here would be the original water entry. Nope, nope, that's the electric. There we go. That's how we plug it in. All right. Maybe this right here that's been bolted over would have been the original water entry. It's right kind of near the electric. That would make sense that that would have been the water entry to get in fresh water. So that's a quick walk around of the exterior. Let me take you inside in just a minute.
Get in the door. And then if you just leave this down on the ground, you can get in.
Okay, we're going to take two because I just did the whole interior tour and didn't have the video camera on. So we're going to try this over again. Right now it's covered with a tarp because the skylight has a leak. That's the only thing we're aware of that's actually currently leaking is the skylight. But this is an old trailer, 1956, so there's a lot of history. So as you come in the front door, straight ahead was originally the kitchen. I don't know if you can kind of see what they've done. They built kind of a wooden box around it. They took out the water service, but they put in new electric, which we hope works. We'll find out. It's kind of interesting, kind of boxy, but good shelves. So not a total waste of space. It's good space. And then right to the left as you walk in is a half kind of box thing. It's kind of some storage near the bed, and that originally was a tall wardrobe. Not sure why it's not. Maybe it felt too closed in. So I'm going to step inside. Kitchen again is straight ahead. Then to my right is the dining area. See, I'm going to come in and back up and try to get it all in. Maybe you can see it all. The way it's set up is pretty much, I think, originally how it had been. There's these sliding shelf things up above with a light, and then there's two kind of bunk or a dinette kind of thing with a table that hitches on that under the window. And we haven't checked out this one. Typically how these work is that this table slides across, but either way, these are perfect little beds for grandbabies to sleep on. Of course, after it's cleaned up and rehabbed and fresh fabric, you can see the broken windshield from this direction as well. I think some Gorilla Tape might hold it together temporarily, but certainly not for the long haul. Here we are in the kitchen again. Here's this strange little box. Again, it's boxed all the way around, and it's just a carpet square sitting on the top. It doesn't open at all. It doesn't appear to open at all. It's all hammered down. This bed appears to be just a standard double bed futon, just a full futon it appears. And again, the way they set this up, these are just shelves. The way they set it up, it's just, here's the other side of this. I don't know if I can show you the other side of this half boxy thing. It's kind of open. It's kind of a mess. Oh yeah, and I wanted to show you the water damage right here in that little kitchen area. I'm pretty sure is coming from the broken skylight, but I would point out that the skylight is here and the water damage is over here. Presumably the water just ran over there and settled, so we'll have to kind of scout that out a little bit. Under the bed, I'm a little afraid to kind of look under there. It's kind of storage under there. I don't know if you can, it's kind of hard to see. We're gonna have to get the, let's see if I can. I can't really show you in there. It's a whole lot of storage, but it's not very usable. You can't really get in there the way the bed's set up. So yeah, we have to work on that. It's kind of a problem. All right, that is the inside of this trailer. Just cheap plywood paneling, just the cheap old stuff, and plywood on the walls, but I think fix the leaks and a coat of paint would go a whole long way to just like the next step with a camper, right? So stay tuned. We're gonna fix the leak and do some cosmetic stuff. That's the next step.